Welcome to Grandma Alice's kitchen. Today I'm sharing my curry Kapitan ayam recipe made from scratch. My grandkids find it delicious and I hope you find it nice too. To my Muslim relatives and friends, I hope you can try it for your buka puasa. Bye.
No, we're starting now.
Sorry.
Here are the ingredients that we need today. I will separate them into two sets so it's clearer. In set A, we have 3 stalks of Serai, 5 Candlenut, 1 Kunyit, 1 piece of Lengkuas, 1 tablespoon Belacan, 15 pieces of garlic cloves, and 1 cup of chopped onions, shallots. Chop them all up. We are going to blend them later. Also for set A, we have half a cup of chilli, which is basically dried chilies which I have boiled and blended. And for set B, we need 7 chicken drumsticks chopped into bite size, 3 teaspoons of turmeric powder, some salt to taste, some Limau Purut leaves, 2 tablespoons of Gula Melaka to taste, half a cup of Assam Jawa water, and 1 cup of either fresh coconut milk or 1 packet of Santan. First, let's marinate the chicken. Add 3 teaspoons of turmeric powder to a large mixing bowl and 2 teaspoons of salt. Then give your chicken a nice massage and maybe a little pat. Okay. Now we are going to add in all the ingredients of set A into a blender. Add in about half a cup of water. And now add in the blended boiled dried chilies. Heat your wok and add in generous amounts of cooking oil. When the oil is hot, add in your chicken. Just fry them until golden brown and set them aside. Okay, now add 2 tablespoons of oil to the wok. Let's stir fry our blended ingredients. Add in a teaspoon of salt to taste. You want to keep stirring until you see the oil separating from the mixture like this. Then it's time to add the chicken. Add in your Assam Jawa water. And a cup of water. Let it simmer before adding in your coconut milk santan. Now add in a tablespoon of Gula Melaka. You can add more or less to your liking depending on the level of spiciness you can take. Beware, this is not for the faint-hearted. Now I'm chopping up some Limau Purut leaves I plucked from my garden. Here I'm just testing the sauce. It was actually pretty spicy. Add the leaves, just give it some color and smell. Like I said, it was too spicy. Okay, so we're adding some more Gula Melaka. Okay, now let's just cover the wok and let the chicken cook for around 10 minutes until you know the chicken is cooked. You can check by cutting one open to see if it's raw or not. I say that this recipe took around more or less half an hour to cook, and with the preparation it will take around an hour. But trust me, it's all worth it in the end. Your tummy will be thanking you. Maybe not the toilet bowl though. Just kidding. Ah, look at that. Of course, this goes really well with rice or roti jala. But sadly, all I had was bread. Oh well, it works too. Can't complain. Now my curry Kapitan chicken is ready for food for makan. Now I'm having it. Sedapnya. Sedapnya. Curry Kapitan ayam sedap. Thank you everyone for your continuous support of my videos. Enjoy cooking. Like and subscribe to my channel. Take care and stay safe. Selamat buka puasa to all my relatives and friends who are fasting. Bye.
Wait, don't take all this. Okay. Come on, the screen. You have.
That's all ว่าขอลูกเอาเลยไป